Hello everyone, my name is Andre and today I have the greatest pleasure and opportunity to share with you and recommend an absolutely amazing HD security camera system. This system was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but of course this is my own opinion on it. So in order to secure your household or your business, you need a security system like this one. And this one is absolutely great because you don't have to hire a contractor in order to install it. You're gonna be able to do it on your own because it's super easy in order to do so. And this one is also waterproof, which makes it super easy also to install on the outside of your household or of the business. So in a rainy day, you're gonna definitely be secured with that. And besides that, it has a day and night monitoring. Basically, during the day, you're gonna be able to see everything, and of course during the night as well. And as I was telling you, it's super easy to set up on your own. So let's see what this product has to offer and what do we have inside. Alrighty. We have an instruction manual in order to perform that duty. And of course, we have the main processor that we're gonna bind all the cameras together. Everything compact, really great in order to be secured and delivered to you. Let's just take all the parts out and I'm gonna show you one by one. Right, so as I was telling you, this is the processor and you have up to 1 terabyte of memory in order to do the recording. Besides that, you have all the wiring in order to bind it and connect it to a power source. It even comes with a mouse, so you can easily work with the videos that are recorded. Alrighty, let's put this on the side. And of course, you're gonna bind this one with the home screen in order to monitor what's happening. But besides that, you can always also download a special application in order to monitor from your phone what's happening at home or in your business. And of course, we're gonna take those cameras out. Also, they came absolutely safe packed. Each one is wrapped separately. Look at that beauty. And of course, in order to bind it to a power source, they also come with the wiring in order to send it to that destination. 4 different wiring in order to connect each camera. 1, 2, 3, 4. And of course, you have all the screws and utensils in order to screw them to the wall or wherever you might find a spot in order to do so. You have an internet wire in order to connect it to the screen or power source. And of course, 4 wires for each camera itself. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Look at that beauty. Absolutely amazing HD camera that will send that footage straight to your phone or to your TV if you are monitoring from the TV. And of course, it's going to be super easy to assemble it and put it together on your own. The only thing you have to do is just bind all those items together through the wiring after you're gonna install the cameras on those areas that you like to monitor. So if you guys are looking for a set of security cameras for yourself, HD, waterproof, with an application in order to bind with your phone or just bind it with the screen inside your house, you should definitely have to consider this one because it looks amazing. And of course, after I'm gonna install it, I'm gonna be definitely satisfied with what I did in order to monitor and secure my household or my business. So if you guys need a security system, you should definitely have to consider this one because this one is definitely a recommendation from me. My name is Andre and I absolutely approve this message.